Today we're going to be solving our AMC 10 problem. Last year, Isabella took 7 math tests and received 7 different scores, each an integer between 91 and 100 inclusive. After each test, she noticed that the average of her test scores was an integer. Her score on the 7th test was 95. What was her score on the 6th test? So to solve this problem, what I'm going to do is that I know that if S is the sum of the first 6 math test scores, then S plus 95, that is congruent to 0 modulo 7. And now by rewriting this, I got that S is congruent to 3 mod 7. Now, what I can do with this is that I also know that S is congruent to 0 mod 6. Now, what I also know is that 546, which is 91 times 6, is less than, S is less than 6 times 100, so 600. And using the Chinese remainder theorem, you can easily get that S is congruent to 24 mod 42. Okay, so now, using this information, try this on your own, but for the sake of time, we know that S will be 570. Now, what can we do with this information? So we know that after the first 5 tests, her scores were divisible by 5. And after the first 6, they were divisible by 6. 570 is divisible by 6, meaning that this is true. So now, if we look at the options, if I subtract 92 from 570, I don't get an integer divisible by 5. Same for B, C, and D, meaning that only E is the answer. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.